In this video, I discuss the MCQ of refrigeration and air conditioning, chapter number 1, introductions. I explain some of the theoretical as well as the numericals of this chapter MCQ. Okay, and I also give the solutions of the MCQ so you can understand it easily why this answer is coming, and I also discuss the answer why this is the answer of these MCQ questions. Now first is a refrigeration system. Option A, remove the heat from a low temperature body and deliver it to a high temperature body. Second, remove heat from high temperature body and deliver it to the low temperature body. Option C, reject energy to a low temperature body. And option D, none of the above. So we know that the purpose of the refrigeration system is to absorb the heat from a low temperature body. Means it's remove the heat from the low temperature body or a space and deliver it to the high temperature body. Means correct answer is the option A. Means in a VCRS system, our evaporator is absorb the heat. So evaporator have a low temperatures. So it absorb the heat from the space and rejecting into the condenser, and condenser is placed at the high temperature body. Means in atmosphere temperature is higher and in our space the temperature is lower. Second, a air conditioning means option A, cooling, B, heating, C, dehumidifications, and all of this. Now the function of the AC is not only the cool. In some foreign countries outside of the India, AC is also used for the heatings. Okay, in our India, the air conditioning is generally used for the cooling and dehumidification process. So it is also used for heating. Means answer is option D, all of this. Now next, which of the following represent a heat pump? So here the figure is given. From the figure you need to identify the right figure of the heat pump. Okay, this is the figure A, figure B, C and the D. Okay, now we know that in a heat pump we require to supply some work done. So first we identified out of these four images in which figures the work done is supplied. Here you see in a figure B we supplied the work done, and also in figure C we supplied the work done. Okay, means answer is from the either B or from the C. Okay, and we know that our source is our final output. Okay, means source have a higher temperature. Heat pump is generally used for the heating of the room. Okay, so here you see in the source we supplied the energy. Okay, that's why we heat this portion. Means this is the right diagram in which the heat is flow from sink to the source, and here you see it is moving in downward direction. Okay, means option B is correct because we supplied the heat energy to our room and our room is our source. So this is the right diagram. So answer B is the correct answer. Now before moving ahead, I request to like the video and subscribe the channels for watching the more video related to refrigerations and the mechanical engineerings. For more video, visit the playlist, and for the other chapter MCQ, I put this link in a top right screen of your mobile from I symbols. You also study the different chapters MCQ, and also the link is provided in this description. Next, 1 ton of refrigerating machine means what? Okay, 1 ton is the total mass of the machine. 1 ton refrigerant is used, means the mass of the refrigerant is 1 ton. C, 1 ton of water can be converted into the ice. And option D, 1 ton of ice when melts from and at 0 degrees centigrades in 24 hours, the refrigerating effect is equal to 210 kilojoule per minute. Okay, so option C is partially correct. It is not completely correct. Okay, our answer is the option D. Means in 24 hours, when we melt the ice at the 0 degree centigrade to water in 0 degree centigrade ice into the water. Okay, at that time some amount of the energy is released. In this definition, if they suppose written that the water is freeze. Okay, so if the amount of energy required to freeze the water at 0 degree centigrade to 0 degree centigrade ice, then also the definition is correct. So option D is correct. Now next, 1 ton of refrigeration, it is in short written as 1 TR, means that heat removing capacity is option A 21 kilojoule per minute, option B 210 kilojoule per minute, option C 420 kilojoule per minute, and D is 620 kilojoule per minute. So I think you already know the answer. In a last definition we studied that the 210 kilojoule per minute energy is reject. In this MCQ, suppose these are not given in kilojoule per minute, but it is given in the kilowatt or a kilojoule per second. So 210 is divided by the 60, then we get the answer in kilojoule per second. Okay, so that answer is the 3.517. So that type of MCQ is also possible. In this, option B is the correct. Okay, but these options are also given in different unit. Then you are also know how to convert into the other units. Okay, so in a kilowatt, answer is 3.517. Next, the COP of refrigerator work on reverse Carnot cycle is where T1 is the lowest absolute temperatures and T2 is the highest absolute temperatures. Means what is the equation of COP for a refrigerator? Okay, we consider that T1 as lowest temperature and T2 is the highest temperatures. Now here option is given T1 upon T2 minus T1. Second is T2 minus T1 upon T1. C is the T1 minus T2 upon T1, and the D is T2 upon T1 minus T2. So we know that COP of refrigerator is equal to lowest temperature divided by highest temperature minus lowest temperatures. Okay, so this is the answer. A is the correct. Okay, now same question is asked from a heat pump. Okay, in a refrigerator our function is to cool, that's why the lowest temperature is coming in upper parts, but in a heat pump we require the heating. So in a upper part of this equation the T2 is coming. Okay, so we check this MCQ. The COP of heat pump. So you need to understand the question properly. The COP asked from refrigerator or either a heat pump. So COP of heat pump working on reverse Carnot cycle is where T1 is lowest absolute temperature, T2 is highest absolute temperature. Now options are same as the last questions. Okay, that is no change in that. If you not read the question properly, then you make 100% mistake on these questions. Okay, now we know that heat pump is generally used for the heating purpose. So our output is coming upper part because the definition of the COP is the output upon input. Output is at the highest temperatures. So it is the highest temperatures divided by highest temperatures minus lowest temperatures. So answer D is correct for the COP of heat pump. Next, the ratio of heat extracted in the refrigerator or a heat removed from the refrigerators to the work done on the refrigerator is called. Means in a refrigerator our output is the what amount of the heat removed from the refrigerators and our input is the work done supply. Means it is the output upon input is given. It's called as the coefficient of performance of the refrigeration, coefficient of performance of heat pump, relative coefficient of performance, and refrigerating efficiency. So we know that in a refrigeration air conditioning efficiency term is not used. It is coefficient of performance, COP is used. Okay, and the correct answer for this question is the option A, coefficient of performance of refrigeration. Next, the coefficient of performance, in short COP of refrigerator working as a heat pump is given by. Means what is the equation of COP of heat pump in short? Okay, so COP of heat pump, this P is equal to pump is equal to COP of refrigerator plus 2, COP of pump is equal to COP of refrigerator plus 1, COP of pump is equal to COP of refrigerator minus 1, COP of pump is equal to COP of refrigerators. So COP of the heat pump is always 1 plus the COP of refrigerators. Okay, so these equations I already derived. Okay, and if you want to know how this equation is come, then the link is provided on the top right screen, that the chapter number 1 introduction playlist. In that this video is available on the form of the difference between heat pump, refrigerators and the heat engines. From this video you can understand how this equation is coming. So option B is correct. The COP of heat pump is equal to COP of refrigerator plus 1. Means suppose the same temperature condition is given, the refrigerator is working on same temperature limit. So refrigerator COP is 4. Okay, now this refrigerator is converted into the heat pump at the same temperatures. Then the COP of heat pump is the plus 1 of the refrigerator. Means COP of the heat pump is equal to 5. Next, the coefficient of performance of a heat pump is always, that we already studied that, it is a +1 than the refrigerator. So answer is greater than 1. Okay, so option is given equal to, less than and greater than 1. So we know that the answer is the C, it is the greater than 1. The power per ton of refrigeration is, here the power is asking, okay, power per ton of refrigeration means refrigeration is equal to 1 ton, and 1 ton is equal to, we know that, the 3.517 kilowatt. Now option A is 3.5 divided by COP, COP divided by 3.5, 3.5 into COP, and none of these. Now I give you the explanation here. Now we know that the COP is equal to refrigerating effect upon power or work done. Okay, here that is the instant of KL is written, but it is a work done. Okay, now in a question it is given per ton of refrigeration, means R is equal to 3.517. Okay, here the power is that, so power is going on this side and COP is coming as a denominators. Okay, so what is the answer? 3.5 divided by COP. So answer is option A is correct, that is a 3.5 divided by COP. The relative coefficient of performance is equal to, means what is the equations for the relative COP? Now option is given theoretical COP upon actual COP, option B actual COP upon theoretical COP, actual COP into theoretical COP, and none of these. So answer is the option B, actual COP upon theoretical COP. Okay, if you don't understand, then you can know that the A is coming first. Okay, so A is coming first means actual COP upon theoretical COP. When lowest temperature of refrigerating machine is fixed, then the coefficient of performance can be improved by, means we know that it is a higher temperatures and lower temperatures, means evaporator temperatures and the condenser temperatures. Now here the lower temperature are fixed, means, okay, now first we check the MCQ, that is operating the machine at higher speed, operating the machine at the lower speed, rising the higher temperatures and lowering the higher temperatures. Now out of these two, speed and speed are not coming in the form of answer. Okay, we have only two possibility, rising the higher temperatures or lowering the higher temperatures. Now here I give you the explanations. Okay, now what is the equation of COP? It is the lowest temperature T1 divided by higher temperature minus lower temperatures. Now what is the given? We fix the lower temperatures. Now we fix the lower temperature means we fix the T1. Okay, now we take the T1 is 50. Okay, and we need to improve the COP. By which way? So we have only option is that we can increase the higher temperature or we can decrease the higher temperature. Means either answer C is correct or either the answer D is correct. Okay, now we solve this. The T1 is 50 and T2 is 100. Okay, so what is the answer? 50 divided by 100 minus 50 means answer is 1. Okay, now what we do? T1 is fixed because it is the lower temperature, so we cannot change this T1, so it is a 50-50. Now we reduce the T2, instead of 100 it is go to the 75. So 75 minus 50, it is 25. Then after 50 divided by 25, then the answer is 2. So what we see, the COP is improved, means coefficient of performance as a questions, the coefficient of performance can be improved. Okay, means 1 to 2 moving, then it is the improve. How we improve? This higher temperature is reduced. So what is the answer? Lowering the higher temperature, means answer D is correct. So opposite question is also asked in an exam. Okay, when the higher temperatures of the refrigerator machine is fixed, then how we can improve the COP of the system? For that you can comment the answer in the description, comment the answers in the comment, then I give you the answer your correct or the not correct. The coefficient of performance COP is the reciprocal of the efficiency of heat engine. It is true or a false, means COP is equal to 1 upon efficiency. Okay, means it is for engine only, not for a refrigerator, not for a heat pump. Okay, now you know that suppose the efficiency of heat engine is 0.40%. Now what is the COP of this engine? Okay, so how you find? The COP is equal to 1 divided by COP of the efficiency of the engines. So answer is true or false. So answer is true. Okay. If you want to find out the COP of the engine, you first need to find out efficiency. Then 1 divided by efficiency, you get the COP of the engine, not the COP of the refrigerator or not the COP of the heat pump. Next MCQ, a condenser of a now numerically start. Okay. So condensers of a refrigeration systems reject the heat at a rate of 120 kilowatt. Means condenser reject the heat to the atmosphere, that is a 120 kilowatt, while its compressor consumes the power of 30 kilowatt. Means work done supplied to the compressor is 30 kilowatt. Now find the coefficient of performance of the heat pump will be. Here I change the questions. In a real MCQ in a lots of books, they are written to find out the coefficient of performance of the system. Now which the system? It is heat pump or a refrigerator. Okay. Now if this question is asked for refrigerator, answer is different. If this question is asked from heat pump, the question is different. Okay. But in a book, they are only written the system, so it is difficult to predict the answers. So A is given 1 by 4, B is 1 by 3, and the C is equal to 3 and D is equal to 4. So for a heat pump, we know that the amount of heat rejected by the condenser is our output. And what is the input? That is the power supply. So 120 divided by 30, so answer is 4. Okay. But suppose this question is asked for the refrigerators, then the answer is 3, because the heat rejected by the condenser is the summation of the heat absorbed in the evaporator plus work done. So heat absorbed by the evaporator is only 90 kilowatt. Okay. Because it is 120 minus 30, that is the amount of the heat absorbed by the evaporator. So 90 divided by 30, the answer is 3 for a refrigerator. But here for a heat pump, we considered and the answer is option D, 4. Next, a reversible engine has idle efficiency of 30%. When it is used as a refrigerating machines, with all other conditions are unchanged, the coefficient of performance will be. In second last MCQ, we studied that the COP of the engine is reciprocal of the thermal efficiency. So here answer is given 1.33, 2.33, 3.33 and 4.33. Now here it is description. COP is reciprocal of efficiency of heat engine. Okay. So 1 divided by 0.3, we get the answer 3.33. It is the COP of the heat engine. Okay. But here what they ask, COP of the refrigerators. Okay. So COP of refrigerator is equal to COP of heat engine minus 1, means 3.33 minus 1. The answer is 2.33. So answer B is the correct, that is a 2.33. In figure so, E is the heat engine with efficiency of 0.4 and R is the refrigerators. It is given that Q2 plus Q4 is equal to 3 Q1s. Now find out the COP of refrigerators. So here you see this is the heat engine. Its efficiency is given 0.4. This is the work done. This work done is supplied to the refrigerator. This is the output of refrigerators. Okay. Because here the evaporator and condenser is on the lower sides. Because arrow is moving in up to down. So COP is equal to Q3 divided by work done. Here I detail in answer in detail. So these are the various options are given. So first we solve. We first find out this efficiency. That is a 1 minus Q2 upon Q1. Efficiency is given 0.4. From that we conclude that Q2 is equal to 0.6 Q1. Okay. Then after we find out the work done. Work done is equal to heat supply minus heat rejected, that is a Q1 minus Q2. Now Q2 is derived from the equation of efficiency, that is a 0.6 Q1. So we putting the value of Q2 in this equation and we get the work done is equal to 0.4 Q1. Next we move towards the COP. COP is equal to output upon input. Okay, means here the heat absorbed, that is a Q3 divided by work done. Now first we find out the work done. Now what is the work done? So this work done is equal to, so here you see there is a 2 input is given. So W plus Q3 is equal to Q4. Okay. So we written here W plus Q3 is equal to Q4. Okay. Now from this equation W is equal to Q1 minus Q2. So we putting the value of W, Q1 minus Q2 plus this Q3 is at is equal to Q4. Then further we simplify this equation this minus Q2 is going on the right side. So Q1 plus Q3 is equal to Q2 plus Q4. Then after, in a given data, we see that Q1 plus Q4 is equal to 3 Q1s. So this Q1 plus Q4 is replaced by the 3 Q1s. Okay. And this Q1 is going on the right side. That means Q3 is equal to 2 Q1. Now, in equation of COP, we putting this answer. So here COP is equal to Q3 by W. Now answer of Q3 is equal to 2 Q1. Answer of work done is equal to 0.4 Q1. So Q1 cancel, and the 2 divided by 0.4, the COP is equal to 5. So what is our answer? Option D, 0.5 is our correct answer. Now, the heat rejection factor HRF is given by, now what is the equation of heat rejection factor? That is a 1 plus COP, 1 minus COP, 1 plus 1 upon COP, and the 1 minus 1 upon COP. Now, I here give the descriptions. How the COP is defined? COP is equal to refrigerating effect divided by work done supply. Means QL minus QH upon QL. Okay. Is equal to, here we take the QL common. Okay. So up and down the QL is cancelled, the 1 upon QH minus QL minus 1. Now first I explain you what is the heat rejection factors. Heat rejection factor is defined as the amount of the heat rejected by the condensers divided by amount of the heat absorbed by the evaporator. In short, it is the QC divided by QE. So we know that the QC is higher, so it is also written as the QH, and the QE is lower, so it is written as the QL. Okay. So it is the QH divided by QL minus 1. It is replaced by the QC divided by QE. Okay. So this QC upon QE is written as the heat rejection factor HRR minus 1. Then this HRR minus 1 is going on left side. COP is coming on the right side. Then final equation is the heat rejection factor HRR is equal to 1 plus 1 upon COP. Okay. So our answer is option D. Sorry, option C is correct. 1 plus 1 upon COP. In actual air conditioning application for R12 and R22 operating at the condenser temperature 40 degree and evaporator temperature 5 degree. Now find out the heat rejection factor. So this is the different answer is given. So we know that heat rejection factor is 1 plus 1 upon COP. So first we find out COP. Now when we calculate the COP, we need to put the temperatures in the Kelvin. Okay. So it is a lower temperature, 5 is converted in Kelvin 273 divided by difference of higher minus lower. So it is putting in the centigrade, because the when we take the minus, the answer is coming same. So COP is equal to 7.94. Now 1 plus 1 by COP 7.94. Then we get the answer 1.125. Means option B is the correct 1.125. A heat pump working on a reverse Carnot cycle has a COP of 5. Means COP of the heat pump is given. Okay. It work as a refrigerator. Take the 1 kilowatt 1 work input. Now find out the refrigerating effect. So here different answer is given. Okay. Now first we consider that COP of heat pump is equal to COP of refrigerator plus 1. Because we need to find out refrigerating effect. So we first find out the COP of refrigerator. So COP of refrigerator is equal to COP of heat pump minus 1. COP of heat pump is 5. 5 minus 1, 4. So COP of refrigerator is 4. And COP equation is refrigerating effect divided by compressor 1 output. So COP is 5 and it work as a refrigerator, take the 1 kilowatt 1 input. Means work input is given 1. So refrigerating effect is equal to COP into work input. COP is 4, work input is 1. So 4 into 1, refrigerating effect is equal to 4 kilowatt. So option D is the correct answer, 4 kilowatts. So thank you for watching this video. If you learn something, then like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. And if you want to more video, then the link is provides on the top right screens of your mobile or a laptop. From the I symbols, you watch the different videos of MCQ, even as the different chapters of the refrigerations and air conditionings from the playlist.